I'm going to tell you a few tips about fishing. Although it's really tempting, a lot of people always, when they see the bobber go down, they yank it up and start reeling. Except what I like to do, especially with trout, because you don't know whenever they have it up under the water, because sometimes they don't even have it in their mouth, and you pull up and they swim off and they're scared. So what I always do, even if it's not a trout, I count to about five for the least. You want it to be underwater for a good bit, and then you start reeling whenever you know that they're on there. Like you don't want to just yank whenever, even though it's really tempting. Most people just yank and start reeling and they lose it. So yeah.